Well, I think it's significant if you look at as the letter points out where the discretion lies to prosecute in the executive branch as opposed to the judicial branch. And I think if we think ahead to the ultimate conclusion of what would happen, the basic principle here is, can a court essentially compel a prosecutor to continue to prosecute a case in which they have determined there's no longer a public interest or a prosecutorial interest in pursuing. And I think it's inevitable that if the prosecution decides not to pursue a case, um, then it will evaporate. It will be gone. So in terms of the defendant's rights, I don't want to speculate too much, but you can probably infer a situation in which a prosecutor had no choice but to continue to prosecute a case because of the ruling of a judge seems to be at odds with what I think most people would find perhaps a comforting aspect of prosecutorial discretion. In other words, we all hope, I think, collectively, that were a prosecutor to determine that it was no longer just to prosecute us, that the prosecutor could dismiss the charges against us without much inquiry. And I think that's where the empathy for the defendant lies. The principle that prosecutors should be able to abandon prosecutions as opposed to be compelled to continue them.